Dr. Brett here. I'm going to show you guys some simple neck exercises. This is phase one of the cervical spine rehab that we teach in our clinic. So the first thing we simply do is just a four-way stretch. And the four-way stretch, is think of it as an X here. So I'm going to turn my head slightly to one side, either right or left. I'm going to take my hand, just the weight of my hand, barely pull back. And I'm going to feel it stretch in the front of my neck. So I'm going to do that this way as well too, real light. Now I'm going to go to the front, so I'm going to get a turn. Same side of hand. A little bit, I'm not pulling, I'm just resting my arm on there, back this way. 10 to 15 seconds each way of those. You can do those 3 times through. So that's one. Number 2 here is just simple range of motion. So I'm going to work on range of motion all the way to the right, turn and squeeze. I'm getting to this point. To the left, all the way over. If I'm having trouble getting there, I can use my hand, flat palm to the side of my face, and push myself through a little bit further. So I'm going to go both directions there, then I'm going to go laterally. So tip to the side. Tip to the side, very simple, just the weight of my hand, let it fall at that point. Then I'm going to do extension back. So I'm going to tip my head, I'm tall through my chest, tip my head straight back. So that's the second one that's on there. And lastly on there is real simple with this. We're going to take just a t-shirt, we're going to roll it up, we're going to put it behind our neck, we're going to pull, we're going to go pull forward and a little bit down, and all I'm doing is shoving my head straight back. I'm kind of pushing against it and extending that neck back. I can go to the side a little bit. I can go to the other side a little bit with it as well too. But I'm going to hold that for about 10 to 15 seconds. I'm forcing a curve in my neck. I'm tall through my chest, forcing a curve through my neck, tipping my head straight back. You can do this at work as well too. And another thing you can kind of add in during phase one is a little bit of ice. 10 to 15 minutes of ice. At the minimum, like I said, at least an hour apart at that point to help create a little bit less inflammation in there. That's phase one of the neck.